Follow-up video on my protector and waterproofer. Let me stop by Leighton Trademark. It's already dry. Probably want cure for 24 to 48 before you drive on it, be my best guess. But I think that was a solution. I can't pull up any loose dust unless I take a wire wheel to it, of course. I've got enough product. I can do a second coat if required. But I don't think it will be required. Interesting. So, not bad. Same thing over here. Seemed to lock everything in place. We had one of those big temperature drops, front blowing through. Normally, when that happens, the floor will be sweating like there ain't no tomorrow. And it came in today and it's perfectly dry. And so we're good there, like that. And I'm still just piddling. Put up my, it's hard to see, sorry about that, tap and die chart. Tells you the drill size, tap size, everything. Real handy. Amazon. And over here, I mounted my little cover over my refrigerant line transition going in the building. Sealed it up with plumber's putty. People don't know this, that's what's used on RVs to seal all the windows. Just regular old plumber's putty. Nothing special about it. Looks pretty good. Now I get some of that foam with rodenticide and shoot it up through the bottom just to further seal it so I don't get a red wasp nest up inside there, or yellow jacket, either one. So, I got some good news from Global. We were talking back and forth. I told him if I have to wait till April, which will end up being May or June, for that meal, just go ahead and cancel the order and send me a refund. I said, or I gave them another option that I found on their website. It's an upgrade from the one I initially purchased. Not a lot of money extra, not a little, but not a lot. I said, do a stock check. See if this one's available and let me know. And the sales lady I'm working with, she's great. She called back all excited. The one I was using as the alternate is available. Could have shipped today. I said, well, got a problem here. I owe you more money. And then we got to cancel the initial order, transfer that funding over to this new item, send me an invoice with the balance owed, and it's enough I can just throw onto a credit card and get the transaction complete instead of doing a wire transfer. And then they're good, I'm good. They can load it up, get it headed my way. I hope my fork truck is ready by then. So, that's about all for this one, I think. Got another chiropractor appointment this afternoon. I got time to do a few little things in here. I might go ahead and do that. I think that's about it. So, anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.